The National Association for Blind, Delhi. NAB is a national award winning non profit organization that came into existence in 1979. It is registered under Societies Registration Act 21 of 1860. Since its accomplishment, it is working consistently for the welfare of visually impaired persons. Its main purpose is to enable a blind to lead a prosperous and dignified life. Its primary area of concern are integrated education and skill development of visually impaired to ensure methodologies. It runs several programs in the area of education, vocational studies, digital library, old age homes, etc. Let's have a glance at each of its impactful activity. The activities which it provides is basic education, hostel facilities, technology center, visual administrative rooms or centers, and digital library. Now, I'll like to proceed to the video and I'll take you through the NGO as a whole.
यूज होता है। ठीक है, तो बच्चे इसमें मैथ करते हैं। अभी ये जो है एडिशन के सम कर रहे हैं इसमें। ठीक है, ये जो है टेलर फ्रेम है, इस बोर्ड को टेलर फ्रेम बोलते हैं। और ये जो है ये हमारे टाइप्स है। ठीक है, ये टाइप्स का सीधा डायरेक्शन है और ये उल्टा पोर्शन है। तो जैसे जैसे हम सानिया बेटा हाथ उठाना, जैसे सोचो हमने टाइप को ऐसे करके लगाया तो ये हमारा वन बन गया। इसकी डायरेक्शन बैक साइड से आप देखिए, इसको मान के चलेंगे। ठीक है, टू के लिए हम इसको ऐसे कर देंगे तो टू हो गया। पढ़ के दिखाओ दीक्षा, क्या लिखा है ये?
1 2 3 4 5 6
इसी आगे
किनारे की अगर
क्या है?
ये आंगन में
हाँ, आंगन में। हाँ,
दादी माँ ने दुश्मन को नोट के लिए
अंगीठी।
अंगीठी तो है
हाँ,
और दुश्मन का
जान के आप सबसे ज्यादा खाने में क्या पसंद करते हो?
बच्चे दीदी लोग आए हैं IBM से।
क्या पढ़ रहे हो आप सब? बीता टेबल लिखो उसको। बड़े बड़े की दिखाओ। बड़े बड़े
क्लास चल रही है, बात करने से ज़्यादा। बस आप ऑब्जर्व कर लीजिए, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो आप मेरे से बात कीजिए।
ये देखिए, इसको मैं दोबारा से रिपीट करवाऊंगी।
एट लिखो, वेरी गुड। कैरी क्या मुंह में नहीं डालना उसे, हाथ को कभी भी मुंह में नहीं डालना। 7 बन जा कितना हुआ था और कैरी कितना था?
ये ना नर्सरी क्लास का हमारा सेक्शन है।
पूछेंगे हमने प्लस का सम किया माइनस
यहाँ पे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं हमारे,
तो नहीं पता
जो एडिशन स्किल पे और अपनी बिल्ड स्किल पे काम करते हैं यहाँ पे।
नहीं पता था ना।
ठीक है, ये तो बड़ा बच्चा है, मैम अलग से ले रही है, उसको कुछ कंफ्यूजन होता है तो मैम उसको अलग से बैठ के बच्चे को कराती
इसे
है।
अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप अलग से गाइड करते हैं।
करो जल्दी करो। प्लस का सम में आप
इसका भी
हमेशा
maths
साइन
कर
करिए,
देना।
मैथ्स करें प्लस ऑफ स्किल।
but they have only come here for the last 1 month. They've started for last 1 month, and right now they're in basics. They're some of them are good because they're already like from the one person, Suganya. She is from Chennai and she's got a good English, but most of them, and Ronald also, and Akhil. Few of them have a good basic English, but most of them have. And so, if you want to ask something specifically, you have to first ask in Hindi and then you ask in English. And what do you want to know? If you can give me a little detail, then I can tell them.
Nothing. What are the trainings which you provide to them?
Like we are just taking an overview of your institution or organization, and we are like checking what is happening in each and every one. It's an
Okay,
overview.
so would you like to have some introduction from anyone of them? Do you want?
My name is Neelam Verma. I have come from Jhansi. Meaning of my name, Precious Blue Stone. I have completed PG in Banaras Hindu University.
Okay. So good morning.
Thank you, Leela.
Thank
So,
you.
related to software, accessibility software queries and morning 9 to 9 बैक एंड फोन में यूज करते हैं हमारा टोल फ्री नंबर भी अभी है वो टोल फ्री
In our visit, we observed that India is the country where we have maximum number of blind and disabled people who need our help to live a normal living. This NGO provides students with basic education and extracurricular activities like music and dance. As far as we are concerned, we have provided them with a total of approx 5,000 which we collected from our family and relatives for the NGO. And through this video, we want you all to contribute to your maximum by providing basic helps like donating your old clothes, food to such NGOs. Because these things which are waste for us may be useful for others. Your small help can change their life and can fulfill their basic need.
As per our learning and concern, we got to know how difficult life can be. As far as our personal life, we waste many things which can be used in a better way. Starting from the very basic thing, we waste our food daily on a special days like birthday. We waste money in parties, drinks or food which can be donated to such an NGO in order to uplift their life and give them a better living.
Many heroes of our country are lagging behind due to such basic problems. At the end, we would like to say that blindness is the inability to see, but it is not the inability to work, to lead a dignified life. Thank you.